We're, huh?
It's starting to sleep now.
Yeah, it's a little harder. It's not the fluffy snow. I don't mind. Okay, I just want to get this up. Hey, you don't want to put them in front. I want to get fresh snow, although somebody else
Look at your surroundings. These trees.
I know, these trees are so pretty. Alright, you guys, so we are planning to go to this place called the Happy Garden, and we're gonna walk around in it, and it's snowed outside. It's very snowy, so I'm getting all bundled up. I have this awesome scarf that I made from yarn that Piper 49er sent to me about 2 years ago, maybe. So thank you for this, and I'm gonna wear it today, and it's so nice and soft, and I love the colors. So I'm gonna wear that along with a regular jacket, and I've got some snow boots, and I'm gonna get myself ready to go. So let's do it. We never needed these puppies in California. Look at this, it snowed. So I'm out here with my mom and my sister. Check this out. We're just walking around and it snowed. We got a good storm, so that was fun. And it was kind of fun to shelter in place for a little bit. My mom is way up there. Up, you can't even see her. She's wearing a white jacket. She's that little white dot right there. Mom, wave. Wave. Okay, I will probably talk to you guys in the next vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe, comment down below if you feel like it, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.